the Northeast.
The Hindu Integrated Territorial Organization, Hito, has raised concern over the conduct of law enforcement and district authorities during a public hearing on October 18 regarding Meghatop Cement Private Limited's proposed integrated cement plant. Hito, in a letter to the Chief Secretary, alleged that both the Superintendent of Police and the Deputy Commissioner of East Jayante Hills displayed bias in favor of the project. To mark their protest, Hito today organized a sit-in demonstration at the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board, Shillong. Hito expressed concern that the authorities did not act impartially during the hearing held at Waejer to gather public feedback on the cement plant proposal.
Because they didn't allow the public from those areas, especially some villages, they came to us and they urged, they request to send the message to the Mspcb to tell them that they are not being allowed on the public hearing. So as a concerned citizen, as a concerned leader of the Hito, we feel that every citizen, especially from the affected area in that Narpo, Waejer, so we feel that their justice should be done.